Hi everyone, today let's cover algebra using index laws. We will focus on division and power rule of indices. So here's today's question. It's worth 3 marks. We have to solve an equation to find m in terms of n. If you look into the equation, since bases are all different, we have to match that base first. We know that 16 is equal to 4 to the power of 2, and 64 is equal to 4 to the power of 3. Now let's replace those numbers into the same base of 4. Then we can rewrite the equation into 4 to the power of 2, bracket to the power of 5m, over 4, equals to 4 to the power of 3, bracket to the power of 2n. We can rewrite the left side into the division form. So 4 to the 2 bracket to the power of 5m divided by 4 is equal to 4 to the 3 bracket to the power of 2n. So from here, you need to remember the indices rules, which are a to the power of m bracket to the power of n is equal to a to the mn. So the second rule that you need to remember is a to the power of m divided by a to the n is equal to a to the m minus n. Now let's apply those indices rule to the equation. So 4 to the 10m divided by 4 is equal to 4 to the 6n using the first indices rule. Since there is a division sign, we can apply the second indices rule to simplify into 4 to the 10m. And you need to watch out that number 4 is having the power of 1, so we need to subtract by 1, which is equal to 4 to the 6n. So to satisfy the equation, since we just matched the bases, the power should be equal to. So 10m minus 1 is equal to 6n. Then 10m is equal to 6n plus 1. m is equal to 6n plus 1 over 10. So this is the answer for today's question. You can think it as a new type of indices question because you just have to express m in terms of n. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.